Hi, welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about the car parts matrix. So from the left-hand side menu, click on My Account and click on Parts Matrix. And this will open up Car's Parts Matrix options. So we have two options here, one called the adjustment method and one called the part price method. We do have the standard part pricing method, which allows you to enter cost limit ranges. It also starts with the same option, asking you if the matrix is less than retail, which do you want to default to, the matrix price or the retail price? It also gives you a cost limit. So here you can set your cost limit at whatever you would like, and you can set your ranges by clicking on Add Range, and we'll do a start from 1 penny to $100, and we want 150% markup. Lastly, it asks you if it's above the cost limit, do you want it to default to the part retail price or the last markup applied? The adjustment method seems complex, but essentially provides you the most amount of control over gross profit margin without jagged edge drops available to you in cost ranges. So here's how the adjustment method works in the simplest form possible. This is essentially asking you if the matrix price is less than the retail price, which do you want it to default to? Do you want it to default to the matrix price or to the retail price? Select your option accordingly. Here it's asking a cost limit, a margin start, and a margin end. So the cost limit is where you want your margin to end at. So what this is saying is that at $600, I want my profit margin to be at 30%. This means the system will now calculate a margin start of 60%, which is what we have set forth, all the way from 1 penny to $600 and apply it on an even curve so that you do not have jagged edge drops. At the very bottom, it is asking you, once it is above the cost limit, what would you like the system to do? Would you like it to apply a retail price, or do you want it to continue to apply the margin at 30%? Make the choices here that are right for your business. What I am displaying to you here is what we have seen as the best way to consistently earn around 55 to 60% gross profit margin on parts when set with these metrics. Should you need help with this, please reach out, and this is what we're here to do. We will help set this and dial it correctly for you and your service facility. Thank you for watching and have a great day.